Hello guys and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the MaxCCU error reached for the game. And let's get straight into the video. So what you can do is you can make your way over to the search bar in the bottom left and go ahead and just type in settings. From settings, what you can do is you can make your way over to network and internet. From network and internet you can make your way over to advanced network settings, and then from here you can go ahead and look for internet options. Oh, not sorry, not you're gonna look for network reset. Sorry, yeah, network reset. But anyways, once you're here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on network reset and hit reset now. But once this is done, your PC will also be restarted. So once that's done, that should fix the issue. Another method you guys can try doing is by simply restarting your router, and you can just do that by unplugging the unplugging the power cord from the router for about 30 seconds and plugging it back in, and that's like a network reset as well. I guess you're kind of like restarting your router, but that should also help fix the issue. Now, once you do both of these methods, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.